Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to change your font in iOS 18. So it's really simple. So this will work with any type of iOS as long as it's in 16 and above if I'm not mistaken. And then all you have to do is go to the settings, and from there you will have to go to general. From there scroll down until you find your fonts. So fonts will house all the fonts that you own and the fonts that you can actually download. So system fonts has all the fonts that you would need basically. So the installed fonts are right here, so you can check them out if you want to do your research on what you like right here. And then if you want to download one, you can select one right here, and then you can just press the download button right there if you want to download that, and then you can apply it after this. So after that, you will just choose one type of face right here, so you have the plain, and then you can actually choose that system font and you can use it. So there you go guys, that is how you change your font in iOS 18. And it's really simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.